before the great Himalayas, there stood the mighty Aravallis. This vast spread of ancient land has witnessed trials and tribulations of time, generations of humanity, and the rise and fall of many civilizations. Kumbhalgarh Fort, a glowing soul of Aravalli, stands strong, protecting this ancient land, heritage, culture, and tribes. As much as times have changed, one section remains untouched. The Kumbhalgarh Wildlife Sanctuary. Morning sun rays peek through the veil of mist, creating heaven on earth. From the forest floor to the treetops, from the smallest species to the biggest, home to the beauty and the beast. Summer days are extremely dry and hot, turning the forest into a blazing shade of gold. Temperatures often rise to 48 degrees Celsius. Water and food is limited. It has not rained for weeks. For some, survival has rather encouraged creativity. Some hide in the plain sight, while others lie in wait. Some make it through the day, while a few don't. But the game of hide and seek continues. In this burning heat, movement is restricted. Energies must be conserved, for it will not rain for another 2 weeks. The sun sets far into the horizon, painting the sky with rich hues of celebration. Forest breathes a different kind of life at night. Each animal has specially designed senses to function in total darkness. The male leopard feeds on his prey while hyenas lurk in the dark. The female stands guard, watching every move of the hyenas. This meal is a reward, as it will feed many animals down the food chain. But water still remains the focus. There is an earthy essence in the air, a pure, soulful fragrance of the mountains, inspiring every sense of belonging to the nature. The monsoon has arrived. The streams and rivers burst into a dance of frenzy, glinting with little sparkles, like 1,000 diamonds blessed with an inner fire. These streams form the arteries of the forest. Once again, life is bustling in the jungle. Kumbhalgarh Forest is also home to many ancient temples and structures. Ranakpur Jain Temple stands on 1,444 pillars, each unique in design. The four directions of the temple symbolize the creation of the universe, the cosmos. There would be no greater witness to the glory, courage, and timeless beauty than the Kumbhalgarh Fort. With its mammoth 36-kilometer wall loyally guarding its perimeters, built in the 15th century by the great king Rana Kumbha, this architectural marvel is also the birthplace of the great Maharana Pratap. This is the legacy of the Kumbhalgarh Wildlife Sanctuary.